All right, Steve. Also with the Motor Trend, you get 1 year of complimentary tire and wheel repair. Now, Steve.
What's that?
Okay, let me explain
More
it to
car dealer BS?
you. No, sir. So, have you ever got a flat tire or blown out a tire?
I have.
Okay, and when you replace it, how much did that cost you?
At least $200.
Okay, I'm sure that hurt a little bit, right?
Oh, yeah.
All right, and as far as your wheel is concerned, did you ever crack a rim, bend a rim, anything like that?
No, never needed a
Okay.
rim replacement.
All right, well, just so you know, typically on a wheel repair, you could be anywhere upwards of $400 to replace the actual wheel itself. Now, if you're driving, you blow out a tire, hit a pothole, crack a rim, get a flat, we will actually replace it for you. If we can fix it for you, we'll do that. If it is unfixable, we actually replace it for you. If you crack the wheel itself and it won't seal, we'll actually replace the whole wheel for you.
How much, what's the deductible on that?
Was it 100? No deductible.
No.
There actually is no deductible on that. And you have 1 year of complimentary service, unlimited miles. And if you see fit, you could always extend that coverage as well. And hopefully that puts your mind a little bit at ease with your tire and wheel coverage.
Man. Okay, now do key replacement.
All right.
And I'm gonna go right back down and
Oh, okay. All right.
I'm gonna have each of you do the one that you didn't do.
All right. Key replacement. All right, Steve. So let me ask you a question. Have you ever lost or misplaced a key that you couldn't find?
Yeah, I have.
Okay. And did you end up replacing that key?
No, man, they wanted an arm and a leg for it. I said, to heck with that. I just took care of took better care of my last key.
Yeah, typically a key replacement costs anywhere between $250 and $500.
Mhm.
I know for some vehicles it could go closer to the 1,000 range. So,
Man.
yeah, and so when you didn't replace it, you just took better care of the last one. I know you said you didn't pay to have it replaced, but to some degree you actually did pay for that key.
How so?
Typically when you trade in a car or a lease return or something, they actually deduct the value of the vehicle because you don't have that second key. With Ford Motor Trend's key replacement, we'll actually replace the vehicle for you. And if you happen to lose your whole key ring, we'll actually give you $200 above and beyond what the key actually cost, so that you can get your older house keys replaced, and if need be, we could always have a locksmith sent to your home to actually let you into the car or the home.
How many keys will you replace for me?
Up to 2 keys. And if that's something that's interesting you and you have a habit of losing more than 1 or 2 keys, you could always extend that coverage as well.
Give the man a hand. Good job.
Yeah.